Hi, this is Dr. Bastian with Ravenswood Health and Wellness Center. When it comes to upper back pain, lower neck pain, tension in through this shoulder area between the shoulder blades, something we can do in the office first and foremost is adjust the area. We want to start getting mobility back in all these joints so that we can start getting some relief in these muscles. So Jeff, if you could lay face up. Two areas that we want to adjust is one, the lower neck. Good. And then also the upper back. So we're going to cross that. So both of those adjustments will help to get mobility back in that upper back, lower neck area to help get you some relief throughout the workday.